Well, hello, Bill Shaka here. Welcome to another edition of the 5-Minute Motivator. Welcome to Tamarindo, Costa Rica, where the weather is absolutely spectacular today. And that swimming pool looks inviting, and the ocean looked inviting this morning. And I am looking forward to delving into both of them. And as soon as I get done with this 5-Minute Motivator, you can be assured that I will be in my orange Speedo and on the beach. Just kidding. Just kidding. I will be on the beach, but it will not be in an orange Speedo. I will not do that to the rest of the people that are around. Anyway, what I would like to talk about today is a concept that works in leadership, it works in management, and it works for those of you budding parents that have some small children. It's something that I call teach principle, not process. And by that, what I mean is, if we can teach an individual how something works, we don't necessarily have to get into the situation of giving them instructions. Let me give you an example. I have been cooking Italian food, Southern Italian food, for decades. My mother used to have me on her lap when I was 5 years old stirring the sauce. So I've been doing this for a long time, and I got pretty good at it. I'm able to put together some really, really cool Italian recipes on the fly. And I've also done a lot of studying in terms of culinary theory to begin to understand the whys of what I'm doing. And here's something I discovered. I can give you a basic marinade. So if you have chicken that you want to marinate overnight, I could say to you, mix olive oil, mix lemon juice, and mix rosemary. There you go. And put the chicken in, let it sit overnight, then bake it the next day, and it'll be great. What I did was I gave you a process. Let me instead give you a principle of marinade, and now you can do it yourself. A marinade and just keep this in context of what we're trying to do here: leadership, management, and parental guidance. A marinade consists of three parts. It consists of a suspension, an acidic, and an aromatic. The suspension holds the acid and the aromatic. The acid breaks down the protein, and the aromatic fills in the areas that broke down. So the suspension was olive oil. The acidic was lemon juice. And the aromatic was rosemary. Now, if you remember that a marinade consists of a suspension, an aromatic, and an acidic, all of a sudden you can take off. So wait a minute, if I want to make a Greek chicken, I can use grape oil as the suspension. You sure can. I can use feta cheese and garlic as the aromatic. You sure can. I can use lime juice as the acidic. You sure can. You can do whatever you want. You can take that three-step process of suspension, acidic, and aromatic and do whatever the hell you want to do with it. You can start cooking Thai. You can start cooking Vietnamese. You can start cooking Greek. You can start cooking Middle Eastern. You can start doing whatever you want as long as you remember that. Guess what, ladies and gentlemen? I just taught you a principle. Now, the more that you are able to do that with your employees and your children, all of a sudden now, they're not looking to come back to you and say, I want to cook this Middle Eastern dish. What should I use as a marinade? And at that point, you can say, suspension, acidic, aromatic. Figure it out. Think about how that will work at work. You are basically stopping individuals from becoming codependent on you by teaching principle, not process. You know what, folks? That's a lot to chew on today. I'm going to stop there. Think about it. Bill Shaka, thanking you for attending another edition of the 5-Minute Motivator. Please like, share, comment. Please join the 5-Minute Motivator membership. Please join the YouTube channel. Looking forward to seeing you in the next edition. Bye.